Hello everyone, let's begin. So, kinematics is the branch in classical mechanics that talks about the distance, the time, the velocity, and the acceleration between two masses. Let me define each one. So, velocity would be movement, the acceleration, an acceleration would be the rate in which velocity increases or movement increases or decreases. Time is self-explanatory, and distance is self-explanatory. So you can use different kinematic equations to go ahead and calculate how fast something is going, or how faster something is going, or how far something is from another thing. And that's pretty self-explanatory. Let's move on. Newton's first law is inertia. Oh, we're going to move into Newton's first and second law. So Newton's first law is called inertia, and it's the idea that things that move constantly at a constant pace or a constant velocity will either stay still, or if they're moving, they will continue to move, because in order for something to stop or start, you need an acceleration. You need an object that can change its velocity. That's pretty self-explanatory, because if you're moving and you can't change your movement, then you can't stop. So that's why you need an acceleration, more specifically from a force, which is Newton's second law, which is expressed through the equation F equals ma, or a force is equal to a mass multiplied by an acceleration. That is pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, you need the rate of movement to change in order for something to stop or start. Okay, there you go. We'll get into impulse and momentum in the next episode, but yeah, this is just my rundown of classical mechanics under 2 minutes. And yes, this will be a multiple parter. So anyway,